Sing. We don't really care what nationality you are. Whatever you are, as long as you can sing, and you can sing, you 18, sing.
Alright, so we need the next question up here.
The singers understand, the other ones they won't understand. They don't need to come.
Sing. Comment one.
No
sing. This is a one in a million trillion. Don't type it.
I don't know what it is that you've done to such a way. Whatever you do, when you do what you do, when you do it.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's a feeling that I want to stay. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when the cause and cure is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Something takes over me. And the days feel so amazing. It's not a fake. I want you to. Oh shit.
I'm gonna go first. I respect your grind and your hustle because you're at work right now and you focus. You on your shit. I like that. I would say I love the vocals. You definitely surprised me. You know what I'm saying? Some of them look, you gotta really like Coco, that SWV, she was going crazy. So just add that a little bit to it. Like you went crazy too, but add a little bit more, get like fine tune it, and you good. But I fucked with it. I like the energy, I like the way it sounded. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thing and keep running.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nah, I thought it was good too. I thought it was good too, but with the notes, certain high notes that you're hitting, you gotta make sure whatever song you sing, you can make sure you hit it because you was fluent through the whole thing. On certain points when you hit the high notes, it went a little left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, what I would say, like, honestly, I liked it. It was just something. It was just something that it wasn't connected to me. So just try to like go a little bit harder. I think that's all you gotta do is just go a little bit harder.
I got you.
Maybe if you wasn't at your job, you'd probably go way, way harder. That's hard. That's hard.
No excuse. I got you.
So listen. Pull up to the audition.
Okay. Thank y'all.
Alright, Coach, PJ Ken.
With the shades on.
Came back with the shades on. So look, we looking for that. We're looking for that next R&B singer. When you come on this live, make sure you state your name, where you from, you know what I'm saying, and make sure you come with that your voice, man. Don't be raspy on it. You know what I mean? If you need a shot, take a shot.
Come with
if
that.
you need some water,
drink some tea right now. Hey, yo, shout out Frenchie and Bad Boy.
from my brother.
I'm from New Orleans.
Hello?
Burnell Till, I'm from New Orleans.
New Orleans, what's up?
Get it. Yo, damn. Hello.
Y'all can hear me? Y'all
Yes,
can hear me?
Yeah.
Let's get it started.
All right, let's go. Darling, I can't explain. Where do we lose our way? Girl, it's driving me insane. And No, I just need one more chance to prove my love to you. To you.
Yeah.
If you come back to me, I'll guarantee that I'll never let you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some claps. I rock with that.
Best one so
You had them both guys.
Niggas felt that one, right?
Appreciate it.
What y'all gotta say? Y'all like that? Y'all like that? I like that.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
You like that?
Let me do one more.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Encore. Floor is yours. Encore.
Explain straight to the point.
Thousands of people trying to get on, you know. Try to give everybody a shot.
No, he deserves a hustle.
That's a fact, though.
He came through.
He came
Yo, you got 5 seconds,
If you're
brother.
that
Hey,
good,
take off.
All right.
Get it.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart as I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore